Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. We are doing addition and subtraction. Today I am going to use 50 value and 10 value together. This is technique number 8. For your information, I am starting to post about how to do multiplication on the Abacus. If you know how to do add and subtract on the Abacus, you can do multiplication. Link is in the description box. Check my I button for the playlist, or you can directly check episodes from my channel. Please click on the channel icon. Let's start technique number 8, add and subtract on the Abacus. Hold your Abacus and confirm your marked rod. First place 12, 1 to 12, 67. This one is 50, this one is 10. You can do like this, 60 and 7, 5 and 2, 7. Reduce 67. First you have to reduce 60, then 7. Reduce 12, 1 to 12. Next 2, 3, 23, 76, 50 and 20, 70 and 6, 5 and 1, 6. Reduce 76, 5, 20, 70 and 6, 5, 1, 6. Reduce 23, 20 and 3. 67, 67, 12, 1, 2. Reduce 1 to 12, 1 to 12. Reduce 67, 67. 78, 50 and 20, 70, 5 and 3, 8. 21, 21. Reduce 21 and reduce 78, 78. Finger process are very important, so be careful about that. So we are going to do these exercises. Marked rod and question must be straight line. First add 12, 1 to 12, 76, 5 and 20, 76, 5 and 1, 6. Reduce 77, 50 and 20 for 70, 5 and 2 for 7. Add 86, 50 and 30 for 80, 5 and 1 for 6. Reduce 66, 50 and 10 for 60 and 5 and 1 for 6, and your answer is 31. Next 2, 121, 6 and 7. Reduce 16, first 10 and 6. Reduce 60, 50 and 10 for 60 and 2, 62. Add 77, 50 and 20 for 70 and 5 and 2 for 7, and your answer is 87. Number 3. I'm going to do a little bit fast. If you don't understand, please go to your YouTube setting and slow down speed. Number 3, 31, 68. Reduce 86, 50 and 30 for 80 and 5 and 1 for 6. Add 70, 50 and 20 and for 6, 5 and 1. Reduce 68, 50 and 10 for 60 and 5 and 3 for 8. Your answer is 121. 87, 11. Reduce 25 first 20 and 5. Add 16, 1 and 5 and 1 for 6. 63. Reduce 5 and 10 for 60 and 3. Your answer is 2 and 6, 26. 68, 21. Reduce 34. First 30 and 4. 42. Add 42, 40 and 2. Reduce 66. 50 and 10 for 6, 60. 5 and 1 for 6. Your answer is 3, 1, 31. Number 6, 78, 21, 27. Minus 27 for 20 and for 7, 5 and 2. Minus 61, reduce 61, 50 and 10 for 60 and 1, 88, 50 and 30 for 80 and 5 and 3 for 8, and your answer is 99. 88, 111, reduce 83, first 80 and 3, 72 and reduce 68, 68, and your answer is 2020. Number 8, 66 and 31, reduce 90, 50 and 40 for 90 and 5 and 1 for 6, add 85, 85, reduce 26, 26, and your answer is 50 and 10, 60. Last one, 3 to 32, 66, reduce 78, 50 and 20 for 70, 5 and 3 for 8, add 59, this one is 50 and this all. That's 9, and reduce 68, 50 and 10 for 60, 5 and 3 for 8. Your answer is 1, 1, 11. Hope you like the video. Please do these exercises by yourself. If you don't know, please comment me. I will help to do that. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and go to my channel, check my another videos, and keep learning. See you in the next video. Ta-ta.